Okay, so many of you might have heard that there's a new calicivirus or VHD virus strain that's being released early next month, which has got the potential to affect rabbits quite badly. Now, just got a little bit of information that's come through, so I just want to share that with everyone so they're aware of how this might affect rabbits. Now, the evidence for this virus is our current vaccine does work, but we actually need to change our vaccination protocol slightly. So what we're recommending now is 2 vaccinations for the primary course. We used to just recommend 1, and then a vaccination booster every 6 months. And the testing that they've done has shown that this vaccine is effective. So as long as you get your rabbit vaccinated, keep it up to date with its vaccinations, then you're going to be fine. So if your rabbit hasn't had a vaccination in the last 6 months, we'd recommend you give your vet a call, get the vaccination done, and that should be protective. Other things you can do is make sure you've got separation between wild rabbits and your pet rabbits, so making sure you've got things well fenced off. Avoid cutting grass and feeding it to rabbits because that's a risk of contamination with insects. Wash your hands after or before and after dealing with rabbits, so just your basic good hygiene there. Good insect control, so either having your rabbits inside, particularly dawn and dusk when you've got a lot of mosquitoes around, or getting some fly wire or something similar over the hutch to really help protect them. If you do find an infected rabbit, and really the only sign you're going to see for an infected rabbit is sudden death, that it does kill them quite quickly, this virus. So yep, if you do find one, then you've got to dispose of it in a safe way. So really you want to be bagging it, double bagging it, and in the bin, make sure you're washing your hands very well. If it's a pet rabbit, then give us a call and we'll give you advice on what can be done with it, or we can look at organising cremation for you. And if you do have a pet rabbit that's affected, then isolate it from your other rabbits. Really give the cage a good clean out, but once again we can give you a bit more specific advice on that. So really the long and short of it is, yep, this is going to be a nasty virus if we don't vaccinate, but vaccinate your rabbit and you're going to be fine with it. So yeah, if you've got any concerns, give us a call.